Welcome back to another video. In this video, I would like to show you how to create a new account on Google Analytics. To create a new Google Analytics account, you need Gmail account. And if you have a Gmail account, it's basically your Google account which is applicable for all the Google services. So I hope you already have a Gmail account. So search for Google Analytics and you will see this results. So we need to click on this first link, analytics.google.com. So I'll click on this link and it will ask me to log in into my Gmail account. I already have a Gmail account, so I'll just click on this and I'll log in into my account. So once you log in, you will end up on this page. Welcome to Google Analytics. So I'll click on this button. Okay. So here you need to add the details of your account. So account name will be Best Computer Chairs. Okay. I have a website with the name bestcomputerchairs.in. So my account name will be same. Okay. So here I need to click. If you want to go through all this, so you can just go through it. I'll click on next and I'll select for web. So I'll click on next and my website name. So my website name is again same, best computer chairs. And here we need to add the website URL. So I'll just copy this URL and I'll paste it here. So my website has a SSL certificate. So I'll just remove this HTTPS and from here I need to select HTTPS. Okay, and after then we need to select the industry category. So let me check the industry category. So mine is computer chairs. So I will select home and garden. Okay. So if you have a website which is related to healthcare, so you select healthcare. Whatever suits your websites, you just select that. Okay, so I'll select this home and garden and reporting time zone. So reporting time zone is very important and you need to select the time zone where you are from. So I'm from India, so I'll select India. So let me search India. Okay. And now everything is okay. So let's create it. So here we need to check this and we need to check this as well. So if you want, you can just go through the terms and condition and then you can click on I accept. Once you click on I accept, you will end up on this page. So let me click on no thanks. And so I have got my tracking ID, which I can put it back on my WordPress blog. Okay. So we have successfully created Google Analytic accounts and I'll paste this code on my WordPress blog in the upcoming lectures. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will insert the tracking code on my WordPress blog. So this is the code which I need to insert on my WordPress blog. So instead of copying this code, I will use a plugin where it will automatically pull the tracking ID and insert the code on all pages. So for that, we need to log in into the admin area. So let me log in into my admin area, bestcomputerchairs.in/wp-admin. And here I need to put my credentials. So once I am logged in into my admin area, so I'll go on plugins and I'll click on add new. Here we need to search Google Analytics. So there are plenty of plugins in the WordPress plugin ecosystem and you can use any one of them which has relatively good rating. So I will just install this. this plugin seems to have 1 million active installation and have a good rating as well. So we need to click on install now. So once it is installed, we need to click on activate. So once it is activated, we can see a whole separate section for Google Analytics. So here we need to click on general settings. So this particular WordPress plugin is going to get access from my analytic account directly, and it's going to add the code automatically. So I'll click on authorize plugin, and in this page I will click on get access code. So this will open a new page, and here I have to select my account. So I need to click on this, and I need to click on allow access. So it will allow access to my Google Analytics dashboard. So this is the code which I need to copy and put it back here. So I need to paste it here, and I need to click on save access code. And then we need to click on save changes. And what you can see here is that instead of copy pasting the tracking ID or tracking code, what this plugin has done is that it has got access to my Google Analytics account directly, and it has pulled the tracking ID, okay, tracking ID for this particular website. So here you can see we have not copy pasted this tracking ID, but this particular tracking ID has now come here, okay. So this tracking ID, you can see it is the same, okay. So it has pulled the tracking ID. This plugin has pulled the tracking ID. So what basically this plugin does, it creates a code and place it on all the pages of this particular blog, okay. So it has placed all the code in this particular blog. So we have successfully installed the Google Analytic code by using the Google Analytic plugin. So in the next video, we will debug the tracking code installation. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye. Welcome back to another video. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to check whether we have installed the Google Analytics tracking code in your website correctly and whether it's working or not. So for that, we need to right click on the website and we need to click on view page source. So this is the source code of a website, and ideally the tracking code which we have got from analytics should be available on this page if the script has loaded properly. So what I'll do is I'll copy the tracking ID. Okay, so let's copy this tracking ID and let's go back to the source code. To find this code, I will do Command F. If you are a Windows user, press Control F. So Command F, and yes, you can see that here this particular plugin has installed this particular code here on this page, which means that it has started tracking the pages. So let's close this and let's go back to the home page. What I'll do is I'll click on one of the posts. So let's click on this post and check the view page source. So right click and view page source and see if this particular tracking code is loading. So let's do a Command F. So yes, it is there. So let's close this and let's go to the analytic account. And if I go to home page, so right now you will able to see that the real-time statistic, that is one user active. Okay, so I'll click on real time and I'll click on overview. So right now you can see that it is showing one active user on the website, and I'll click on the location. So right now I am visiting this website from India, and if I click on India, it will show me the city Mumbai. Okay, and now if I click on traffic sources, it says none. Okay, and if I go on content, you will able to see that I am on this particular page. So suppose if I go on home page, let's go on home page and let's go back here. So it should change and it should say that I'm on home page. So now you can see the active pages home page. So this basically shows us that our analytic code has been set up and it's working. So that's it for this lecture. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.